So Instagram just leaked the commissions that they're paying influencers to promote big brands on their platform. Unfortunately for you, I've compiled all of these programs, all of these 28 programs into a spreadsheet, and I'm showing you which programs are public. Now, of the 28 companies I was able to find that are participating with Instagram on this native affiliate marketing, as you call it, 16 of those programs are publicly listed, and anybody can join and start earning commissions by promoting really big brands such as Gap and Zara and Ray-Ban sunglasses, Athleta. And I've compiled all of those programs if you want to start earning commissions by recommending clothing brands to other folks at johncristani.com/IG-rates. All of those programs are listed out, as well as the commissions that they are going to be paying to Instagram influencers. But what's interesting is that the commission rates that a lot of these clothing brands are offering Instagram influencers has no correlation with what they're actually offering people in their public affiliate programs. A number of their programs were offering publicly about half of the commissions to people who sign up for their affiliate programs on their own site than they were offering inside of Instagram's own leaked affiliate program beta test. Now, obviously, that's kind of shifty, but Instagram, huge company, right? They have huge buying power. They have huge leverage and negotiation leverage. So it kind of makes sense that these companies and influencers with Instagram are going to make more commissions. I mean, double is pretty obscene, but double the commission rates that they would be making if they just joined, the Gap or Old Navy or Ray-Ban's affiliate program just individually themselves. But what's really interesting here is what this means for affiliate marketers and the affiliate marketing industry in general. This is a small test that we're actively scaling, a spokesperson for Instagram said. Our long-term goal is to make this tool available for creators everywhere. This is really good validation of the whole affiliate marketing business model from Instagram, which is pretty funny because I've had over 500 ad accounts banned on Facebook for affiliate marketing. Facebook is notoriously hard on people trying to promote affiliate links, especially through advertising. Here's actually from Facebook's terms and conditions, or their ad policies. Don't use Facebook advertising for any purpose, including retargeting or allowing piggybacking or redirecting with tags. Redirection is when you click a link and it jumps from one place to another. This is how affiliate marketing tracking has always been done, because it goes to a link, drops a cookie, and then it goes to the company's site. That's basically how all tracking is done in all companies, but Facebook uses that or abuses it to unfairly diminish affiliate links. They want you buying stuff on their own marketplace. They want you buying stuff with their own currency in the future.
Here's what everybody's been trying to tell you today, and I say this gently. Your user agreement sucks. You can spot me 75 IQ points. If I can figure it out, you can figure it out. The purpose of that user agreement is to cover Facebook's rear end. It's not to inform your users about their rights. Now, you know that, and I know that.
I don't know, but they've been notoriously harsh on affiliate marketing and people trying to make a living. And frankly, this goes into a bigger problem. Facebook and Instagram creators are not sufficiently motivated or incentivized to create content for their platform like YouTube creators are. Okay, Google shares something like 50% of the revenue they earn from ads with YouTube creators. That's how people like Graham Stephan are earning $6 million a year, because they are making money 50-50 with Google to put ads on their YouTube channel. This is how a lot of YouTube creators make money. Facebook and Instagram, you know what the percentage is? 0. This is very similar to how pimps operate. Do you know what percentage commission most pimps offer their employees? Same thing, 0.
Any girl that sells more than 20 kisses gets a little sunshine. But if you don't show up for work at all, I'm afraid you get a stormy cloud. This is gonna be great.
And this is exactly what Facebook and Instagram are doing. And I'm sure they're getting scared because they're losing market share to people like YouTube, which has a great audience here, and there's a lot of great creators that are putting a lot of effort into creating content for this platform. People on Instagram really have no way to make money from those platforms themselves unless they're somehow connected with the corporate bureaucracy at the top of these companies, and they can somehow get a, Facebook originals or somehow get a sponsorship through their corporate bureaucracy, which is nearly impossible for really anybody who wasn't born with a silver spoon in their mouth. But you might be wondering, okay, big brands have partnered with Instagram, has partnered with all these influencers to make lots of money promoting their brands. So surely people should be making a lot of money promoting all these clothing brands such as Gap, Abercrombie and Fitch, Ray-Ban, etc. Well, actually, Tanya Zilke, a Instagrammer with 80,000 followers, said she earned about $58 from one post tagging a pair of Abercrombie and Fitch jeans. Quigley Good, with over 335,000 followers, made only $16 from a post. Melissa Frusco, 38,000 followers, said she made just a couple dollars from her first in-feed post. Folks, that is just pathetic. If somebody's built an audience, and obviously they're working with Instagram on this beta program of over 300,000 folks, right? That's like 3 full Super Bowl stadiums. That's the size of a small city. That's more people than you will ever meet in your entire existence on this planet. Yet the influencer only makes 50 some dollars. Something's not making sense logically. The problem here is many people in affiliate marketing know this just intuitively, is that the opportunity is not with the big brands. The big brands that are established, they don't pay out very high commissions. The highest commissions on these programs are about something like 20%. I won't promote a program unless I'm earning at least 40% commission or a good chunk of the margin. I'm working with affiliate programs that pay out 90% commissions on sales. And I became a millionaire in the beginning with affiliate marketing by promoting an investment program. Well, I was getting about $3,000 a day, right? But that's because 3% of a large amount of money, an investment, equals a lot. For clothing brands, they should be offering a lot more. And these companies are already established, and usually they play all sorts of shenanigans. There's some advanced terminology, cookie length, and how long they give you credit for, how they decide to give you credit for the sale. A lot of these companies are still stuck in this dinosaur mentality of we sell to distributors and retailers, and they have all these different partners, and they don't bake in enough margin for actual marketers, for influencers to actually make money with their programs. The second problem here is that if you're creating customers for Abercrombie and Fitch or Revolve, all these big clothing brands, you're creating a customer that's going to continue buying from them. The hardest part is getting a customer in the first place. And affiliates, when they generate a sale for any of these clothing brands, they're not getting recurring commissions, okay? The way these programs are set up is that they'll give 5% commission on the first sale, and then they make money over the lifetime of the customer. And good affiliate programs actually pay out over the lifetime of the customer. If you create that customer, you should get credit for at least some portion of the profits that customer is creating for the company over time. And that's how I've been able to make a lot of money doing affiliate marketing, is I get into recurring commission affiliate programs that have lifetime cookies, so that no matter what that person buys from the company that I refer them to, I get paid. An example of one of those affiliate programs is ClickFunnels, right? I've been a big user of ClickFunnels website builder for a long time, and it costs $97 a month. I recommend it to other people, and they pay me 40% commissions over the lifetime of the customer, not just the first time they buy, but every month they continue using the product. And doing that has helped me build up multiple 6-figure streams of income to the point where I make millions of dollars a year here from just marketing random other products that I like, or affiliate programs that have lifetime and recurring commissions. So what does this all mean? Well, first of all, this is huge validation for the affiliate marketing business model, right? It's unstoppable. You can't shut down the internet. We all know it's huge. And affiliate marketing is an essential part of that as a way to make money for anybody, whether you are an Instagram influencer, whether you are just a Joe Schmo with a Facebook account. It doesn't matter. You can make money, and big brands, big companies such as Facebook and Instagram cannot ignore affiliate marketing at all. It's just a way for the people to make money. Second off, brands suck. They don't pay out commissions. You're not gonna make money promoting an established brand. How you're gonna make money as an affiliate is promoting up-and-coming brands that are willing to offer aggressive commissions to get in customers. I'm working with programs that pay out at least 40% commissions, which is at least double what all of these other programs are paying. And they're not even paying on the lifetime value of the customer. Okay, so you gotta focus on not brands, but up-and-coming companies giving you big commissions, recurring commissions, lifetime commissions. I have my own affiliate program, obviously. I'll talk about that in a second. Huge commissions there. We offer 50%. And the other thing I'm hearing here is Instagram is just dying, right? Most of the accounts that at least are in my feed, there's just zero effort put into them. And I know I don't put that much effort into Instagram myself. I use Instagram mainly to direct message people nowadays. I don't even really look at the feeds. It just seems like junk, robot AI created junk and spam. YouTube, on the other hand, because they incentivize, because they're not pimps, they're taking 50%, they give the creator 50%. Instagram's given 0%, right? Facebook's given 0% to their creators. And because of that, I think these platforms are dying. They're becoming more and more spammed because they just don't incentivize people to create content. YouTube, I love, because they care about their creators and they incentivize them to continue creating content for their platform. And as I've been using YouTube over the last decade or so, I've seen the quality of content just continue to go up, and the amount of time people spend on their content continue to go up. And even on my case, I've had to think really hard how to make myself relevant on this platform, because I reached a plateau once I became the #1 YouTuber in the affiliate marketing space. Now, if you wanted to learn more about affiliate marketing and how to actually do it, you can check out some of my older videos, which are 100% still relevant to this day and people are making tons of money with. I'm paying out something like over $2 million a year right now, 2 different affiliates of my affiliate program. If you want to learn those, I call them free traffic methods, right? I also have paid traffic methods, which teach you advertising. You can check out my playlist, free traffic methods, which will show you how to join affiliate programs, how to get your link, and how to post them on these different platforms, such as Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, etc. Now, once again, if you want to join any of the affiliate programs, the clothing brand affiliate programs that we talked about, johncristani.com/IG-rates. And that'll give you a nice little Excel spreadsheet and links to all of these affiliate programs, so you can partner with Ray-Ban and, Athleta and Abercrombie and Fitch and all these companies too. But again, that's not where the opportunity is. You're not going to make a lot of money, just like these influencers that had an audience of 300,000 people only making $58, which is pathetic. So if you want to make big money, I encourage you to check out my free traffic method playlists or any of my other content. I go over a lot of affiliate marketing stuff here. And if you enjoyed this, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe, hit the notification bell if you want to be informed of my fairly irregular live streams where I just answer questions. But any other questions you have or comments, leave them in the chat below. Looking forward to talking to you and seeing you in the next video. Bye. Ciao.